Good morning, children. In our last video, you have studied about the different nutrients. The important nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients helps in our growth and development. It gives us energy, protect us from diseases, and helps in our growth. Today we will learn about balanced diet. You may have heard the phrase, you are what you eat. And in a sense, it is true. A healthy balanced diet helps to provide your body with the energy and nutrients it needs to function. In short, if you eat healthy, you will be healthy. Now, what is balanced diet? Diet is the food we normally eat in a day. And a balanced diet means a diet that contains all the nutrients in a right amount along with water and roughage. So, the definition of balanced diet is a diet that contains all the nutrients in a right amount along with water and roughage. Balanced diet is basically a good nutrition. People of different ages need different types of diet. For example, at growing age, children need food rich in proteins and carbohydrates. Old people need diet which contains vitamins, minerals, and fibers. The diet of a person is also depend on the amount of physical work he or she does. Now, for example, the farmers and sports person, they need food rich in carbohydrates, as carbohydrates give us more energy, so they need carbohydrates to fulfill their requirement of energy, as they have to do lot of physical work. So for the people those they do lot of physical work, for them carbohydrate is very important. It is also depend on whether the person is a male or female. Male generally needs more food than female. It is not necessary that the balanced diet should contain expensive food material. There are food items which are not expensive but very nutritious. Now, the benefits of balanced diet. It makes happy and healthy lifestyle. It improves our immunity power. We don't fall sick easily. It protects us from diseases. And it also controls our body weight. So, balanced diet is very important for a healthy lifestyle, to improve your immunity power. It also protects us from diseases and it controls our body weight. In your textbook, one food pie chart is given. Let's see what is that. A healthy diet is one with plenty of variety covering all the 5 main nutrients along with the water and roughage. The chart clear the basis behind the idea of balancing your diet, that not all the main food groups should be eaten in the same quantity. Your body only needs a little of something like fat, while other foods such as fruits, vegetables and carbohydrates have bigger part to play in a balanced diet. In this picture you can see the portion of carbohydrates, fruits and vegetable is bigger as compared to the portion of fat. So we should take more carbohydrates, fruits and vegetable, and the fats should be less. A balanced diet includes more carbohydrate-rich food, including potato, bread, rice, wheat, jawar. It includes plenty of fruits and vegetables for vitamins and minerals. It includes milk and milk products as it provides proteins and minerals. Less fat-rich food should be there in our diet as extra fat stored in our body and makes us obese. In this chart, you can see the biggest portion is carbohydrates, then fruits and vegetable, and then the smallest part is of fat. So, in our diet, we should include more carbohydrates and vitamins and minerals and less fats. Now, let's see about the healthy food habits. We must eat healthy food. We must eat food at regular times. We should not skip our food. We must eat correct quantity of food and we must avoid eating food that are kept open for a long time. Avoid eating too much of salt and sugar. It is harmful for our body. Eat slowly. Chew your food well. It helps in easy digestion. Do not talk in between the meal. Avoid junk food. I know you like it, but you should avoid eating it as it is harmful for our body. It makes us fat and it also makes difficulties in our digestion. Include more fiber-rich food in your diet. It helps in removal of waste from our body. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Eat more carbohydrate-rich food than the fat for energy. And excessive fat can make us obese. Eat whole fruit instead of drinking juice as fruits are good source of roughage. Brush your teeth after every meal. These are the good habits, good eating habits. So you should follow it. Along with balanced diet, exercise also play a very important role to keep our body healthy. Exercise helps to control our weight. It helps to improve your concentration level. It helps in our brain development. It helps to maintain the physical and mental health. It increases strength in muscles and bones. It keeps our heart healthy. You can do cycling, running, swimming, dancing, playing outdoor games. Along with exercise, yoga and meditation is also very useful. To keep ourselves stress-free and calm, we should do yoga and meditation. Different yogasanas are Tadasana, Vrikshasana, Trikonasana, Dhanurashana and Pranayam. These yogasanas are very useful for our body. It keeps us stress-free and healthy. Balanced diet, healthy food and exercise, these are very important, but sleep is also a very important factor to keep our body healthy. If we do not sleep enough, we may fall sick. So, not only balanced diet, but also sleeping is also very important for a healthy body. You all like fast food, junk food, but you should know about the adverse effect of junk food. For a healthy body, we must avoid junk food because it contains high amount of sugar and fats and has very low amount of other nutrient. Fried fast food, potato chips, pizza, burger, some examples of junk food. These are delicious, but they do not provide any nutritional benefit to us. Instead, we gain weight and we become obese. Occasionally, it is okay, but don't make a habit of eating junk food on a regular basis. It harms your body. Junk food do not provide enough energy to do work. It results in poor digestion and make us feel lazy. So, we should eat healthy food and we should avoid junk food. Let's recall. So, today we have learned about balanced diet and how this balanced diet help us to lead a healthy life. We have also learned about the other important factors for a healthy body, that is exercise and sleep. We have also learned about healthy eating habits, and in the end we have also learned about the bad effects of junk food. Now there is a small homework for you. You have to read the chapter thoroughly. Children, in your textbook on page number 20, there is a fun activity. You can do that activity. You will have to make a list of food items that you had last day for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then sort them in different food groups in the table. Example, suppose in breakfast you had veg cheese sandwich and milk. In sandwich, bread, cheese, salt, potatoes, and different vegetables are used. So you can put bread and potato in carbohydrates group, cheese in fats column, vegetables in vitamins and minerals column, salt you can put in minerals column, and milk can be put in proteins and fats column. You can put the milk in minerals columns also. As you know, milk is called a complete food and it contains fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. So you can put milk in all the columns. Now like that you can do for your lunch and dinner. Below that, some questions are also given. You have to answer them. After completion of the table, you have to answer these questions. The first question is, do you have food from all the food groups? If you had, then put tick on yes. Otherwise, put tick on no. Did you have a balanced diet? There is yes and no option. If you have taken all kinds of nutrient in a balanced amount, tick on yes. Otherwise, tick on no. Always remember fats should be low. Question number 3 is, if not, food from which food group did you not take? So this will be your own answer. If any of the column is empty, then you have to write the name of that food group. And the last question, fourth question is, what could you have eaten in order to have a balanced diet? Write your own answer. Already you know about the balanced diet, so you are able to write the answer, I hope. Now really it will be a fun. Do the activity.